Alright, today we're gonna see how to program the party light. So first we need to go to qblock.com and download qblock and download qblock studio. Save to disk, open, install it. Okay, and then launch it. And then see here, this is the program, but we'll start over. Set the device as qblock CB280, and then all we need to do is to do a logic high to P0, which is the port P0 we're using. All we need to do is out 01, then out 00 is logic low, and we just put some delay here. That's about 500 milliseconds approximately, and then we have the whole code, and then we just put in a do loop. This is a basic language that is very similar to the early day basics. Basically it's been reinvented for embedded use, and also if you've been using PHP, it's very similar too. You can do something like if then, anyways, connect the module and then save as relay 001, I guess. Yep, and then download it. Make sure you have your module on. Oh, now it's flashing. And remember, we did the second one, it was this, flashing faster, and then very fast, almost no delay, almost on all the time. Then when I do this, it stays on. Yeah. Alright, we're done.